boys and girls, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. And today we're going to be doing a very quick makeup look because my friend is supposed to come pick me up and I have no clue when she's going to get here, so I don't want her to call me and be like, hey, I'm here, and me not be ready. So also I apologize for going back to the horrible lighting situation because my little ring light has gone out. I've already done like my eyeliner and my mascara because I didn't think that I would have this much time. So I'm probably gonna have to retouch it, but you know, it is what it is. Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint is the first thing we're doing. Just a little bit though, because we're not wearing that much makeup today. I'm gonna be doing like a little bit of concealer because I already did some earlier. Just like a touch to lift my eyeballs. Because I also want to test out this concealer brush from Shein. And my verdict is, it works. Alright, so I'm going to be using just a little bit of contour today because contour is freaking high maintenance. What you barking at, dog? You okay? I say that I'm using a little bit of contour and then I use as much as I normally do. Yeah, do I? Yeah, I do. I do. Just going to quickly blend this out. And then a little bit of highlight. Oop. Just gonna use a little bit of this and then some on my eyelid. And then use the excess on my nose. Then I'm going to take this highlighter again and just sort of take it on my finger and put it in the corner of my eye and on my brow bone. Why don't I just try to blow the excess off my finger? Like, why am I like this? Also, I'm going to do a little bit on my cheek. Alrighty. Now it is time to touch up my eyeliner. Is someone knocking? Hang on.